Hi ma'am,
Hello ma'am, namaste.
what's your name ma'am?
My name is Gayatri Monica ma'am.
What's your child name?
Ayan ma'am, Ayan Satiraju.
So can you please share your journey with the EuroKids, in which program you have started, and till now Ayan, she is in which program? What are the skill developments please ma'am?
Yeah, sure ma'am. First of all, namaste and thank you for asking our opinions, which is really matters to me and all the parents too well. My son's name is Ayan and he started, we enroll along him play group anmata. So he's a very shy kid. Very much not too much of introvert anmata. He'll never talk to anybody. He still go for mama, papa. He'll just go back of that. But what I observed in from his play group till now, he's Euro Junior. Now he's going to cross Euro Junior, and again he's going to go in Euro Senior family. What I really observed him is from play group, from nursery, from Euro Junior is first thing vocabulary, and second thing is the way he responds to the apt question. Apt. Usually, what happens when you ask kids, they'll just say round the box, but he'll come straight to the point, which is really, which is really very hard for sometimes, but it is very good for sometimes. So I really love that so much. He's completely what they have to say lit quest and code quest of Euro family Chappali actually. I felt very happy of his academic performance also, and the way he behaves, the way he speaks according to his knowledge actually. If at all you ask him anything of in certain age of what about, I mean, any type of phonics or any type of sentences, he'll give you a very apt answer about what is that, why you have to do it, and all these questions which I really admire a lot of him. And I ask him many questions how he asks me, but he never fails, or if he doesn't know the answer also, he'll just say that my teacher said like this, if you don't know what I have to do, like he says all that stuff. I'm not joking man, this is seriously I'm telling you.
Thank you ma'am.
I'm really happy for that. Even he doesn't know also.
Yes, exactly the skill what we will be developing in Euro Junior program. See, when the child go for the job purpose, they will see the skills only. It matters a lot. Even we don't know the work how to do, but we'll manage all the things. I want that skill where I want to give to
That's what
that
I'm
children.
telling you. That's what I
That
said.
skill to my students.
That was I said it is code quest. What he's doing is code quest. I'm seeing that in front of him, and he became very smart also, which we can't able to handle it. But it is good. I'm very happy, and I would like to continue until Euro Senior. Thanks for bearing us.
No, not bearing us, ma'am. It's our responsibility to give a skills to the children, because each child is in a different kind of level, where it's a responsibility of the teacher what kind of the child, how to give the skills to, and how to develop, and what will be the learning outcomes, which are very matters a lot in Euro Kids. Here, not only the matter of language literacy, math, only
No,
the skill development.
I know, but what I am saying is when he asked me, I mean, like, whenever I ask him, he'll say me, today is a literacy class, it is a code class, he'll say like that. So that's what I said, it is code quest and lit quest.
What about the hygiene part, madam?
I'm very much happy and pretty happy with this. I mean, of their hygiene, ma'am, because I have seen the washrooms also whenever I come and visit to school. Also, it is very clean, and even the IMA is very polite to the kids, and even I'll check them also. So they are very polite. I'm very happy, and thank you.
Thank you for your precious feedback, madam. Thank you.